Hi, I'm Adi.
And I'm Anna.
Wow, I'm amazed at how much fun it's to broadcast the Nature Valley University Open to the whole world.
And thanks to Chevron and the STEM Zone, we have the chance to learn how it's done.
And now a word from our sponsors.
Most people see a putt rolling to the cup. I see root penetration and runoff coefficients. I see aeolian processes and eco-respiration, minerals in the lithosphere, life forms in the biosphere, infiltration in the hydrosphere. And I see all of this because of a putt rolling to the cup.
We partner with organizations to help educate kids in science, technology, engineering, and math.